YouTube, and Instagram. They're everywhere, and for a good reason. These videos don't just entertain, they pull you in, making you feel like you're experiencing the world through the eyes of a superhero, a time traveler, or even experience historical events. And the best part? These videos aren't just racking up millions of views. They're highly profitable. So if you've been looking for a way to break into the AI video trend, this is it. Sometimes creating these videos takes a lot of time. You have to generate high-quality AI images, animate them, edit them together, and add the right voiceover and effects. For most people, that's hours, if not days, of work for a single video. But what if I told you there's a way to do it in just minutes? That's where AICut comes in. This AI tool is an absolute game changer. It automates image generation, animation, and video editing, all with just a few clicks. No complex software, just instant professional-looking AI in few minutes. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use AICut to create viral AI POV videos step by step. I'll walk you through the entire process, so make email. Once you're signed in, you'll notice you have 0 tokens. But don't worry, I've got you covered. To get free tokens, scroll down and click on the Discord button to join their server. Accept the invite, and once you're inside, look for the free video token section. Follow the instructions provided, and just like that, you'll receive your free tokens to start creating AI-powered videos right away. To unlock the full power of AICut, I highly recommend upgrading your account. This will give you access to all the best features. You can choose the Creator Plan, which gives you 30 video tokens per month along with a suite of powerful features. Or go all in with the Ultimate Plan, which offers 60 video tokens per month and even more amazing perks. Whichever plan you choose, you'll be able to create high-quality AI videos faster and easier than ever. Now let's create our AI POV video. Click on AI POV, and you'll see 2 options. The first option is let AI generate images and sounds for you. The second option is start from scratch. Since we want to create our AI POV video in just minutes, we'll go with the first option, letting AI do the heavy lifting. Once selected, you'll land on the creation interface. First, enter your POV video idea. For this example, let's go with POV. You wake up as an astronaut doing a spacewalk. Next, choose your video length. Options include 20 seconds, 65 seconds, or 90 seconds. Then select your aspect ratio. Since we're creating a vertical video, we'll go with 9:16. Perfect for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels. Now pick the image model you want. Choose from either Basic, Standard, or Pro. For the best quality, I recommend choosing Pro. Once everything is set, hit Generate Sound and Image, and let the AI work its magic. In just moments, it will create your images and sounds, setting the foundation for an epic AI POV video. Our image scenes have now been generated. Take a moment to review them and see if they match your vision. If you're not completely satisfied, don't worry. There are plenty of options to refine them. If you need a different image, click on Change Image to regenerate a new one by tweaking the prompt. If you want to change the image style, click on Edit Image to apply a different restyle model. You can also upscale your image over there to enhance the resolution. If you want to customize the caption on your video, click on Text to change the caption on the video to your preferred caption. You can also change the caption size and style. Now here comes the most exciting part, bringing our images to life. Click on AI Video, then describe how you want your images to be animated. Next, choose your AI video model. I highly recommend going with Kling Pro for the best results. Now repeat this process for all your images. And once you're done, hit Turn Images into AI Videos. AICut will then start animating everything for you. As you can see, our images has been animated. Now that our images have been transformed into animated clips, it's time for the final step. Click Render Final Video to complete the process. And just like that, our AI POV video is ready. One of the best features of AICut is that you can publish your video directly to your social media platforms right from the tool. If you don't want to post it from there, then download the video to your device and upload it manually. Now let's check out the final result. Preferred caption. You can also You've probably seen these AI POV videos going viral on TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram. They're everywhere. And for